day, let's all de-stress at work and do the Parrot Bay Conga! Hi, I'm Luisa Zissman and I'm here today at the Parrot Bay Frozen Beach celebrating National Shorts Day. We're encouraging all the stressed out British public to ditch the suits and don some shorts to work.
So today is actually a National Shorts Day, and I thought, you know, I'd honour the tradition, get my shorts on the way to work. I'm not sure my boss is going to be too happy about that, but hey-ho.
This is the frozen berry daiquiri and it's absolutely fabulous.